There is a new way to get more views and more engagement on your videos by using TikTok stickers. And if you don't see it yet, just go ahead and update your app. Once you update it, it will show automatically. And that's not all. I'm gonna show you a message that was sent to me by TikTok containing more information. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Now, one of the things you need to do is update your TikTok. Then come over here to your profile, click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna scroll up. You see add yours right here. So click on it. Once you click on it, these are two videos that I've used it on appear here. And this says when your friends invite you to add to prompt, they will show up here. So when your friends invite you, it will show up here. So now let's go back. Now let's go ahead and add our own. Just gonna upload our own video and put add yours on it. So click on it, click on the plus button, then wait for it to open up. Once it opens up, you can see right now it's on pictures. So we're gonna move it to a video, 15 seconds, then come up here to upload. Yep, click on upload. I'm gonna choose this video this picture right here. Yeah, let me use a picture instead. So click on this picture. You can upload a picture or a video you want to add the sticker to. So I'm gonna click on this arrow down here. You can see this arrow facing down. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna see more options. Okay, so this is it. So this is add yours. Click on it. So right now I can go ahead and type in a message that I want, but if I don't have any message in mind, I can go ahead and choose from this below or click on that dial icon right there. Once I click on the dial icon, it will automatically insert text for me. So it says take a selfie. So that is one. I can click it again. It says summer memories in your album, then your first summer photos. So this is it. So I'm just going to go with that. Click done. So the next thing I'm going to do is position it. I can also increase it, but not that big. So that's how big it can be. So now I'm going to click on next. I'm going to move on to the next process of uploading video, which is put in the description. I might just skip that for now and just go ahead and post it. So let's post it. Okay, so this is it uploading, and that is it. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, let me come back up to it. So okay, this is how it's going to look like. So this is after you have done uploading it, and that is it. So people can now engage with it or invite their friends. So you can see the invitation right here. Yep, that's what I was talking about, the invitation. So if you invite your friend, it will show on the other side. Okay guys, now let me give you additional information that probably you don't know about. Now just stay tuned. I wanted to go to your TikTok account, then go to your inbox right here. You see this icon, click on it, then come over to your system notification. Now there is a message that TikTok have sent out. So this is it right here. It says attract more views with add yours. So let's go ahead and click on it and let's see what the information right here. It says attract more views with add yours. It says use add yours to attract more views and engagement. Add yours is a new interactive sticker on TikTok that allows you to start prompts others can add to. From July 30th to September 30th, you may see an increase in views and engagement when you use add yours. So then I'll show you a tutorial how you can do it. It says how to get started, which I've already showed you how you can do it. So basically you go to the plus button, you start the process of uploading your pictures or videos. You just click on that arrow facing down, boom, and you can see the add yours right here. It says write a new prompt or add to an existing prompt. This may increase your views and engagement. Yep, So already set up that you can add yours, or you could just use an existing one just by clicking on the dice or the options underneath. Now says to post after posting, others can add to your prompt and also invite their friends to add. So this is it. And sometimes you might not see invite, you might see just add yours there. So this is an example right here. So guys, that is it. So that is how you can use add yours. If you want to know more information about it, do comment about it. And thanks for watching this video. You can go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.